RH stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my RH stock analysis and price prediction, so watch this short video till the end. First things first, with RH, yeah, 4.74% down, it's sitting at 220, you know, that's good stuff. Is it good though? Let's check out the higher time frame. With RH, like technically higher time frame, I'm gonna say I'm more so on the bullish side, because I'm only really gonna buy if the price shows me some upside deliveries and, you know, upside movements, and if there's like a slow continuations up, and how's that gonna happen? But breaking at least like on the daily chart above, you know, certain highs. Anything else? Noise. This low has a lot of liquidity below, so more likely than not we're just gonna take it out, and that's kind of my next idea and bias. I wouldn't just try and force it, you know, I'm just gonna wait, you know, and see what's gonna happen. So it's not financial advice. If you want to learn a strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins for free, check out the photos link in the description. You see all ratings are all 20, you know, 20 ratings, all of them are 5 stars. You know it's good.